I found in the yard. Free USB? Let's check the files. See ya. Leo is plugging a Juris drive into the PC. Leo, no, don't do it. Too late. What is happening? The PC is typing by itself.
It's a cyber duck attack.
Look inside the computer tower. It's destroying the system. My high score is gone. The screen is full of dancing ducks. My final art homework. It's erasing everything. The virus is spreading through the wires into my science fair robot. It's alive. The robot is possessed. Toby, Maya, distracted. I need to pull that USB out right now. Got it. The USB is out, but the robot is still moving. The malware is downloading instructions from the internet. I'm cutting the network. The ghost keyboard is still typing. I need to force a safe mode reboot. Holding F8. Forcing safe mode. Reboot. Oh. Knowledge is an adventure best shared.